Bobcats, my name's Bianca, and today I'm going to be walking you through the housing application. Let's get started. First, log into PAWS, and then select the menu for new and returning students. Then select the online housing application. Next, select the term you are applying for. In the demonstration, I will select the Village Apartments 12-month contract. Select Save and Continue, and then click Begin the application. Next, you will be filling out your personal information and contact details. If you've already filled out an application before, this information will self-populate. Be sure to double-check everything before selecting Save and Continue and moving on. In the next step, you will select the contract for the term you are applying for. The contract will open in a new tab. Once you've read the contract and understand the terms, return to the application window. Read each statement and check them off before selecting I agree. Next, you will have the opportunity to select your hall and room type preferences. You must select at least one preference and can select as many as 3. As an example, I'm going to choose the Village Building 1 4-bedroom apartment, the Village Building 2 4-bedroom apartment, and the Village Building 3 4-bedroom apartment. Once you are finished, click Save and Continue. For the next step, you will answer profile questions to help with matching you to a roommate. Remember that it is important to answer honestly, as this can influence a successful roommate pairing. If you've already filled out the application before, your previous answers will self-populate. You can make adjustments as necessary if your preferences have changed. On the page, you can also select to volunteer for Cat Crew. Note that Cat Crew volunteers will be able to check in a day early in August. Once you've completed your profile, select Save and Continue. You will also have the opportunity to alert us of any medical information or special accommodations you may require. Please fill out a detailed description in the box provided. At the bottom of the page, you will see the information for the Director of Disability Services, who you can contact for more information regarding accommodations. In the next step, you will have several different options to search for roommates. Please be aware that you will only be able to search for roommates that have started the application. You will have the option of searching by profile based on checking or unchecking the boxes on the most important profile criteria to you, or by browsing through all available roommates. In my demonstration, I have a friend that I'm going to search for by details, so I will enter her last name, first name, and date of birth. After locating her, I then select Request, and she will now be sent a roommate request notification. Once complete, select Save and Continue. After saving, you will have the option to renew your current room to stay in the same space for next year. This page will also show you other residents that have selected the same space in this apartment. Before selecting Save and Continue, please read the information on the bottom of the screen so you are aware of the dates through the application process. Note that searching for a room only becomes available at the date which is specified in this step. If you will not be staying in the same space, you will need to select a room preference from the drop-down menu on the next page. In my example, I'm going to select a 4-bedroom apartment and then select Search. After selecting a room, you will need to select a space preference. You can then select your roommate space if they've accepted your roommate request. When you're done, select Reserve Beds at the bottom of the page. Next, you will need to choose your meal plan preference. If you do not wish to have a meal plan, leave this field blank. I'm going to select a meal plan in the demonstration and then select Submit Application. Finally, you'll be taken to a summary page where you can review your reservation and application. Should you need to, you can come back to this application later to make changes or view your bed reservation. If you have any questions about your application, contact the University Housing Office or your community director. We're excited that you're spending another year with us.